Let's talk about YouTube and AliExpress and how you can use both platforms for free to make money. So in this video, I want to show you how you can use AliExpress and YouTube and earn money or affiliate commissions. I'm going to go to my computer and I'm going to show you the steps that you must follow to do this the right way. If this is your first time of seeing me, my name is 𝐌𝐚𝐬𝐭𝐞 and I make videos like this. I hope that this video is helpful to you, and if it helps you, please like the video and subscribe. So first, what exactly do we want to achieve? We want to send people from YouTube back to AliExpress, and then AliExpress is going to pay us money for doing that. And the first step we need to do is to go and register on AliExpress as an affiliate. I have a video that covers that already, so I'm going to put it in the description of this video. Make sure to watch out or to watch that video. So once you've done that, you want to come to the AliExpress dashboard, the main AliExpress. This is the dashboard for me. So I'm currently logged in and then I'm using my country currency. So I'm just going to try to change it to the US dollars, just so you understand this video more. So however, you can use your own currency, but the price is going to be converted to the US dollars because all these transactions are concluded in the US dollars. Now, this is the interface we are going to first see on aliexpress.com. So if you do not know AliExpress is an e-commerce website and it's quite popular because it's a relatively cheap website and it's very user-friendly, and we want cheap stuff. So first you come to the interface and you want to decide on what you want to sell. So you need to understand what we are trying to do here is we are trying to do affiliate marketing using YouTube and AliExpress. So you need a physical product that you want people to go to AliExpress and buy, and you want to move them from YouTube to that website. So you need to have something that you want to talk about. So for instance, let's say you have a blender, you want to talk about blenders, or you basically want to talk about anything. In this video, I'm just going to talk about microphones because I've just been talking about microphones for no reason. So you come to the search bar here and you want to search for your own niche. It can be anything. It can be health, it can be skincare, it can be machineries, it can be basically anything. So I'm just going to use this wi-fi microphone right here. And I'm just going to search for a wi-fi microphone. So what I want to do is I want to find a wi-fi microphone, get my affiliate link, and then come to YouTube, make a video about that wi-fi microphone. And no, don't worry, you must not show your face and you must not buy this product. So in your own case, it can be anything that you've decided that you want to affiliate. So let's proceed with this microphone. So I'm just going to come here and hit search. In your case, you can type in the search bar to find whatever you want to affiliate. So I'm going to just search for this microphone and I'm going to get the affiliate link, and then we can proceed to the next phase. This is supposed to be the very microphone, so I can click on this microphone and get my affiliate link. So now you can see that we have the microphone loaded, and you can see everything that you want to see or you need to see about this microphone. But at the top, you find this information right here. This is because I am an affiliate for AliExpress. If you don't find this and you are an affiliate, you need to go and toggle it on. I already talked about it in the initial video. But here you can see the commission percentage that we can earn, which is 8% and 7%. And this 8% simply means that you sent people directly to this link. 7% means that somehow those people bought it but not on this link. And that's basically what indirect linking and direct linking means. Direct linking, you send them directly to this page. Indirect linking, they didn't land directly on this page, but they sort of bought. So you can see our commission here. You can click on more to see similar microphones that are within this price range. This is going to be important for us if we do not want to, if we do not have this product to promote. Now, the main thing we need to do here is to come here where it says get link, you can get the link as a test link. So you come here, you click on test. This becomes our affiliate link. So you can copy it and you can come here and paste it, and then you just basically confirm that it's an affiliate link. So now we have a product that we want to affiliate, and we have a product, we have the particular product that we want to talk about. So how do we use YouTube to do this? The first thing to understand is that you are technically becoming a content creator and a YouTuber, but you want to do this and start making money almost immediately without having subscribers, without having a lot of views, and this is how it's going to work. So YouTube is one of my best traffic sources for my affiliate product, and I'm just going to show you how this is done. So again, this is a product, and we have verified that this is a product. So you can find related items right here. So you can see that this product, they all hover around somewhere between $60 to $70 or thereabout. Now, this is going to be important for us shortly, but now the main thing we want to do is we want to come to YouTube and we want to search for that microphone. So if you come to YouTube, so right here on YouTube, you can search for, let's say we are looking for the Fine microphone. So Fine something mic. So let's say we are working with this one, the Fine K88 microphone. We are going to see videos about this microphone. Now, the reason why this is important is because these are search-based keywords, and not just search-based, these are high intent keywords, because anybody that is searching for something like this is looking to buy. So if you even click on it, you see other things that people are searching for. So people are searching to see if they can use this Fine for singing, if they can use a microphone for singing. So you can see that this is a fine keyword. So let's just search for that in this case. So if you have this microphone and you now know that people are using it, as you can see, somebody even has a video on this showcase of vocal recording and singing with a Fine microphone. As you can, oh, this is actually by Fine themselves. So as you can see, the company in itself is ranking, which is not really that good, all right, because if people want users generated content, they want singers like them using it, like somebody like this. So as you can see, in the last 6 months, she has 1,400 views. Again, you may not be getting large number of views, but the kind of views you are getting, they are targeted, because only people who are interested in singing are searching for this. I am personally not interested in singing, so I wouldn't be searching for this. So as you can see, this is a high intent keyword, and the moment I change the keyword, you can see that the kind of content that displays changes. So you see the kind of videos you can make for this kind of content. All right, so if you click on this, in most cases you are going to see the affiliate links inside of this in the description of these videos, and this is basically how YouTubers do it. All right, this is the first step to do it. This is, of course, if you can buy the microphone or the product and create content for it. So if you come to the comment section of this video, you can see that people are thanking this person for making the review. They're asking questions. Again, these are search videos. So this lady, she's not an affiliate, so she did not include the link, but you can basically include the link if you wanted to do that. But this is only if you have the product physically. But what happens if you do not have the product? This is what you can do. So I have another search here where I said best AliExpress wireless microphone. So if you say this, you can still see other searches that people are doing. And what this kind of content do is that they just create a listicle or lists of products on AliExpress. So like this one, it says top 5 wireless microphone. This person did not buy this top 5 microphones. What they've done is just to do some kind of research that I'm going to show you now. So this person actually has a particular mic, but this is the one we are interested in. So you can click on this one to see if we will find the affiliate link or not. So again, as you can see, this person doesn't make any video about them. They don't even test this. What they've done is just to go and get the pictures from the product page, and then they just create a slide talking about the different kind of features of these microphones. So if you come to the description here, you can see that they have affiliate links. These are affiliate links that people are going to buy, find helpful if they wanted to. So this is how you can promote the content without actually buying the product. So you can create a list of content, or you can just, if you have the product and you want to talk about the product, you can talk about the product. You don't need to show your face or anything like that. So you just need to have a YouTube channel. So if you actually go to the full page of this person, you can see that all their content is about stuff like this. They don't buy this product. They just do a research. I'm going to show you how they do this research. So they just do a research of these videos. So as you can see, they are getting decent number of views. So top 5 gaming speakers, top 5 window cleaners, top 5 electric winch, top 5 motorcycle dash cam, top 5 CNC routers, and a whole lot of them. So they have a lot of video. If you come to the popular videos, you see that their videos are getting good number of views, and these are repeat views because people are looking for stuffs like this. Again, they don't need to buy this product. These are just collection of product. So let me show you how they find some of this product. So you can come right here, come to AliExpress. So if you come to AliExpress, let's say we were looking for, let's say smoothie blenders or just blenders. You can see portable blenders or portable blenders for smoothies. Let's just work with this. So you can search for portable blenders, and the fine thing with AliExpress is that you can search them by the number of orders that they have. So from the number of orders, you see the number of reviews that they have. So as you can see, this one has sold more than 10,000 and it is top selling. It has this one has sold more than 5,000. It has 5-star review. This one has sold more than 4,000. It has 4-star review. So if you wanted to create a list of 10 smoothie blenders, you already have the list here. So all you have to do is download these images and turn them to a video with the affiliate link. So if I wanted to download these pictures, I can just click on them and I download them. I can take them to CapCut. I can take them to the video editor that I use. All I have to do is basically to just merge them together and make them a video. Of course, you need to create a YouTube channel. Creating a channel is completely free. So this is how you can use AliExpress and YouTube to make money. If you want me to do a full video showing you the entire steps involved, you can tell me in the comment section and I will think about making that. In the meantime, if this video has been helpful, please like the video, subscribe. My name is �W𝐚𝐬𝐭𝐞. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.